Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 8 mathematics. We will start exercise 1Z of RSML book. Here the first question is, from a rope of 11 meter, two pieces of length 2 hole 3 by 5 meter and 3 hole 3 by 10 meter are cut off. What is the length of remaining rope? The length of total rope is 11 meter, and from that length two pieces, one of length 2 hole 3 by 5 meter and second of length 3 hole 3 by 10 meter is cut off. What is the length of remaining rope? So the length of remaining rope, that is total length of rope from the total length of rope we have to subtract the sum of two cut pieces of rope. The length of total rope is 11 meter and the first cut piece is of 2 hole 3 by 5 meter and the second cut piece is of 3 hole 3 by 10 meter. Now here we have to solve 11 meter minus 5 2 are 10 and 3, 13 by 5 meter. 10 3 are 30 and 3, 33 by 10 meter. Now 11 meter, here we have to add the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10, 5 2 are 10, 13 2 are 26 meter plus 10 1 are 10, 33 meter. Now 11 meter by 1 minus 26 and 33 is 59 by 10 meter. You are taking LCM will be 10. 1 10 are 10, 11 10 are 110 meter and 10 1 are 10, 59 meter. Now subtracting the values we will get 60. That is 5 hole 1 by 10 meter. So the length of remaining rope is 5 hole 1 by 10 meter. Now the next question is here. A drum full of rice weighs 40 hole 1 by 6 kg. A drum full of rice weighs 40 hole 1 by 6 kg. If the empty drum weighs 13 hole 3 by 4 kg. The weight of empty drum is 13 hole 3 by 4 kg. Find the weight of the rice. How will find the rice? The weight of rice from the whole drum. When the rice was put in it, we have to subtract the value of empty drum. Look here. So the weight of rice in drum, that is equal to weight of drum full rice minus weight of empty drum. So the weight of drum full rice is 40 hole 1 by 6 kg minus the weight of empty drum is 13 hole 3 by 4 kg. 60 40 are 240 and 1, 241 by 6 kg minus 13 40 are 52 and 3, 55 by 4 kg. By subtracting the values, you will get the answer. Now, look at question number 3rd. A basket contains 3 types of fruit, weighing 19 whole 1 by 3 kg in all. Weight of total fruits is 19 whole 1 by 3 kg. Question number 3. Weight of total fruits. That is 19 whole 1 by 3 kg. Means 93 are 57 and 1 58 by 3 kg. Weight of apples. Out of these three fruit, the weight of apple is 8 whole 1 by 9 kg. 73 by 9 kg. And weight of oranges. Weight of oranges, that is 3 whole 1 by 6 kg. 6 3 18 and 1 19 by 6 kg. Okay, it is asked in the question, what is the weight of pears in the basket? Therefore, weight of pears is equal to weight of total fruits. Weight of total fruits minus sum of weight of apples and oranges. Apples and oranges. So weight of total fruits is here 58 by 3 kg, and the rest two fruits are 73 by 9 kg and 19 by 6 kg. Weight of oranges. Therefore 58 by 3 kg minus, here the LCM will be, LCM of 9 and 6 is 18, 9 2 is 18, 73 2 is 146, 6 3 is 19, 3 is 57. That is 58 by 3 kg minus, here we are adding the value, 7 6 13, 5 4 9 1, 10 1 1, 203 by 18 kg. Now taking the LCM of 3 and 18 is 18, 3 6 the 58 6 the 348, 18 1 203 kg. 8 minus 3 5. Here 4 minus 0 0 and 3 minus 2 1. 18, 8 is 144, 8 whole 1 by 18 kg. That is the weight of pears. Okay, now moving on next question, but before we have to make it clear. Now question number 4 is same like as question number 3rd. Now we have to look here question number 5. Find the cost of 3 whole 2 by 5 meter of cloth at the rate of 63 whole 3 by per meter. Cost of cloth of 1 meter, that is 63 whole 3 by 4 rupees. 63 for the 3 4 12, 252 and 3 255 by 4 rupees. That is the cost of 1 meter cloth. Now it is asked in the question, what is the cost of 3 whole 2 by 5 meter of cloth? Therefore, cost of cloth of 3 whole 2 by 5 meter, that is equal to 255 by 4 into 3 whole 2 by 5. That is 255 by 4 into 5 3 are 15 and 2 17 by 5. With 5 51 times. Now 17 1 is 71. Sorry, 17 1 is 17. In the hand 1, 17 5 is 85 and 1 86 by 4. 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4, 4 6 is 24, 216 whole 3 by 4 rupees. The cost of 3 whole 3 by 4 meter of cloth. Now, the next question is, In question number 6, a car is moving at an average speed of 60 whole 2 by 4 km, 60 whole 2 by 5 km per hour. The speed of car is, that is 60 whole 2 by 5 km per hour. That is 65 is 302. 302 by 5 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 6 whole 4 by 5 hour? Here the time is 6 whole 1 by 4 hour. That is 16 4 24 and 1 25 by 4 hours. Therefore, distance covered by the car, that is a speed into time. Here the speed is 302 by 5 km per hour and the time is 25 by 4 hours. Now 1 hour cancel here with 4. 4 7 is 28. 4 7 is 28 and 2 remains here. It will not finally cancel with 2. So you have to cancel with 2. 2 15 and 2 1 with 5 5 times. Now 5 1 is 5. 5 5 is 25. In the hand 2. 5 1 is 5 and 2 7. On that we have to convert in a mixed fraction. 2 3 is 6, 7 is 14, 7 is 14 again. 377 whole 1 by 2 km. This distance is covered by the car in 6 whole 1 by 4 hour. Now, next question. Question number 7 and 8 both are same question here. So we have to solve a question number 8. Find the area of a square plot whose each side measures 8 whole 1 by 2 meter. The area of a square is side into side. So we have to look here. Each side of a square plot, that is 8 whole 1 by 2 meter. 8 to is 16 1, 17 by 2 meter. Therefore, area of a square plot, that is equal to side into side. Now, side is 17 by 2 meter and again side is 17 by 2 meter. 17 7 is 289 by 2 2 is 4 meter square. With 4 2 is 8, 72 whole 1 by 4 meter square. That is the area. Now in question number 9, the cost of 1 liter petrol is 16 whole 3 by 4 liter. What is the cost of 34 liter of petrol? This question we have to solve in the same way that we have to solve the question number 5. Question number 5, here also we have to multiply the 34 liters with the cost of 1 liter petrol. Now in question number 10, an aeroplane covers 1020 km in an hour. The distance covered by aeroplane in 1 hour, that is called its speed. So the speed of aeroplane is 1020 km per hour. What distance will it cover in 4 whole 1 by 6 hour? This question also we have to solve in the same way as we have solved question number 6. By this way, we can solve from question number 1 to 10. Now in my next video, we will solve from question number 11 of same exercise 1G. Thank you for watching.